Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Just before Christmas and New Year holidays, popular Chinese manufacturer Xiaomi, in cooperation with Huami, released second generation of smartwatch called Xiaomi Huami Amazfit Smartwatch 2. The first generation of smartwatch was very interesting, so I have a big hopes on the new device. Later I will make comparison video of first and second generations of smartwatches. You can find it by the link in description. Xiaomi Huami Amazfit Smartwatch 2 looks very interesting. If the first generation has sports design, then new device come in only black colors. It's suitable for any clothing, from sports to suit. Of course, the main feature of smartwatch is display. It seems the display doesn't change much from the first generation. The new device has 1.34 inches diagonal and 320 by 300 pixels resolution. Also, it has 2.5D glass, so the watch is rounded. The screen is touch-sensitive, but also you can use 3 buttons on the right side. The frame and buttons are made of stainless steel, while the strap is rubberized. I think that later there are more straps, including metal and leather. On the bottom you can find heart rate monitor. The smartwatch has IP57 rating. It means that you can use it under the water up to 1 meter for about 30 minutes. The hardware doesn't tell much about smartwatches, but I need to mention main specifications. Amazfit Smartwatches 2 has 1.2 GHz dual-core processor, 4 GB of internal memory and 512 MB of RAM. Also, it supports Bluetooth 4.0, LE, Wi-Fi, GPS with GLONASS, and battery capacity is 280 mAh. Compared to fitness tracker Xiaomi Mi Band 2, the new smartwatch Huami Amazfit 2 provides much more functions. Of course, you can heart rate monitor and step count. But also the smartwatch offers 11 different sports modes, such as running, walking, cycling, swimming, hiking, and others. Especially for active runners or cyclists, new smartwatch has improved GPS module. New operation system weOS provides many interesting features. For example, if you want to measure your heartbeat, you can also connect the smartwatch with abdominal bell to collect more accurate data. The new device works with application Amazfit Watch App 2.0. In addition to the sport features, there are other useful features in everyday life. First, you can control your smart home devices via the app, pay via Alipay, wake up with alarm clock, sleep monitor, music control, and others. You can receive notifications from smartphone and information about the weather. The battery capacity of 280 mAh is enough for 5 days of battery life. Right now, you can buy Xiaomi Huami Amazfit Smartwatch 2 for about $200. The first generation costs about $130. To be honest, I don't see big differences between them, except design. So, if you need really solid and functional smartwatch everyday using and sports, then Xiaomi Huami Amazfit 2 can be a good device. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links where to buy smartwatch cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.